Right then, 21st of September. This is called Siamese Gatehouse. Siamese Gatehouse. And it's the old railway house on what used to be the old railway line. Going that way. They're doing some works down here on Scanlon's Bridge. Put a new bridge in, I think. And they've been up here and dug away a bit of the ground and put some stuff on it. But this old building here, apparently, I had relations born in here or raised in here. And it's stood the test of time by the look of it. I think my grandfather or great grandfather was the train master, train station master or whatever. Let's have a look up here. You see how soggy it is. Bricks. Squish, squish. This could be an outside loo, I don't know. Let's have a look around the back. Ground's a bit mushy here. There's not much to see around here. There's obviously was something here at one time. Look, there's a... I'm surprised it stood all these years. Yeah. So it's quite muddy. Watery. Oh, jeez. There's a river run down inside the house. The insides.